Hey guys, now I want to go and show you how you can use a new DM sticker for Instagram stories. Okay, first of all, make sure you have the latest Instagram version, so updating that. If you haven't that, maybe Instagram is still rolling out it. So when you started Instagram, you go and just make a normal story. So I go to create and use a normal background picture and go to the sticker on the top, and there you can go and find below the DM sticker. You can go and change the color, or you can roll the dice and it says to make love or need to talk question, or you delete it and write your own. When you have that, you click on done. You can set it to your normal story or to your friends, close friends. So when you got that, I'll show you how this looks like. Now that's my main account where I asked that. So close friends right now. So yeah, and now click on DM me. And now I can write a message, send it. And when I now go switch back to where I asked the question for the DM, you can see I got an answer. So it's like a normal DM, but you don't need to be available for everyone. If this tutorial helped you, go and check out my YouTube channel. There's a lot of tutorials about Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, WhatsApp, everything. Check it out and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.